I think 2 weeks ago. So my cat was be frame 13 minutes there. On this assembly no.
Almost wide.
And I go let me say this here. Me you say to him. Me dey am chi nipa so person him na there. You bon komo.
Right.
And I want me so you over how will not be the first person.
Sure.
But our job there we do fidelity to the fact.
Definitely.
Not based on people's emotion. Aqua President Mahama say 2026.
Okay.
One shot MMDCEs are where you and me. I'm not the last badge president be appointed.
Okay.
If you're not some constitution in my mama me 10 minutes CD. I go quiet charitable. Constitution in my constitution no share on my penny say. So on oyi MMDCEs. Now go even the framing of the constitution. MMDCE, you know, or the representative of the president at the district level.
Sure.
And I go maybe a way the district assembly, no, a key. But you can look at government or say, me kind of chapter 10, no, chapter 20 of the constitution on the local government, you know, or say government Ghana shall have a system of local government and administration which shall, as far as practicable, be decentralized. The system of decentralizing local government shall have the following features. Parliament shall enact appropriate law to ensure that functions, powers, responsibilities, and resources at all times transferred from the central government to local government units in a coordinated manner. And the district assembly common fund.
Sure.
So on mine, sika yebenya na finimu nyina no. Ya the 5% ebetiesi ho. Na 5% in the formula bia chama ko form of no. Ne ya local government. Ya the basic public toilet, ya the be bridges, ya the basic 6-unit classroom block. Sani enkrofo ni benya development at the local level.
Yeah.
That is the essence of decentralization.
Sure.
Because government should not always be centered in Accra. We must break development down to the local people.
Sure.
Na kwa omutrobofuni nyina kan ho no or see for the purposes of local government Ghana shall be divided into the districts in existence immediately before the coming into force of this constitution. Akwa currently was saying 261 MMDCEs meboa. Oba Santi region are 43 because KMA are 4 into 43 out of the 47 constituencies now. Now what say a district assembly, I'm just keeping some portions for a district assembly shall consist of the following: one person from each local government access any idea. I want to get you the function of the district assembly common chief executive.
Okay.
And this is now you a then and say sanity responsibility.
Yeah.
And a constitution the two almost. Or say
said yes or more.
Mama said yes or me. It's chapter 20 no. I think Article 256. Or say, there shall be a district chief executive for every district who shall be appointed by the president with prior approval of not less than 2/3 majority of the members of the assembly present and voting at the meeting. Takokwa, it tells you say, if you want to change this, it means that there must be some work on the constitution. Because I say, who shall? Now, what kuku se kunu na every flow? Or say, shall they? Madam.
Yeah.
Or see, the district chief executive shall preside at the meeting of the executive committee of the assembly, be responsible for the day-to-day performance of the executive and administrative function of the district assembly, and be the chief representative of central government in the district.
Yeah.
How qua? Let's say this is no. Akwa ye hu mso mo na mo sa ande apoafo. Oforu krum, omahama ene sadat.
Yeah.
Asokwa omahama ene amokamel. Enti wu ya so be yam hama.
Yeah.
Ebi ofa wo no abechia mo.
Ti aban ya decision.
But aban constitution say
with policies are ono na behwe se be adwuma.
It is a school some nkoyi a kosadat wo foforo kuruma.
Right.
Usu some nkoyi asokwa kwa mo kama mo nim na mi bom di mani nsawom. Kwa mo kama.
Ti aban di 3 years.
O free subin
aba na ompotemu enkoso yi a aban no a
o breakebu o toilet leaky any bibia. The key person you need to go to is not President Mahama at the central level.
Right.
You need to go to your district chief executive. That is what the constitution is telling us.
Sure.
How come I read it? Must say the DCE shall preside at meetings of the executive committee of the assembly, be responsible for the day-to-day performance of the executive and administrative functions of the district assembly. And the police create what district on district assembly officer no. Or some say and be the chief representative of the central government in the district.
Yeah.
Takokwa DC is powerful. Now go once me a masters.
You are commander in chief of the district or municipal.
It's not police for the obechino.
Yeah.
Now go once masters me strategic management.
Right.
Now they were question say you tools to be a ultimate year analysis near the anam so. What are the pros and cons of electing MMDCs from 2020 as President Mahama Kana? How can me put you together and be near? One. Akwa constantly say politicization of local government. Okay, so when I started pros no. Akwa be depend democracy. President Mahama akobo Sadat we meto for the when musa me.
Right.
Minimum he, me say about brand TV near friend Sadat. No no nko.
Okay.
Mami by Gambra. Na minim no.
Okay.
Kwame Antwi by ya musa me. By your Kotoba says here, there me Osei-Tutu no. I have a stake in who represents me at the district level.
Okay.
Now, what we have stake now, what we do is that it will improve accountability. Now, what was that? Send media, and baby, I'm here, Jumaya, and in FM, and SBO, and you nyam kakre wo me di ho a. Sadat in upon our family call.
Yeah.
Only bibi ya, obey is to please the appointing power.
Sure.
So no be retaining no.
Yeah.
What I say,
sure.
If the accountability about local government, no again, no, say MMD so be who say, so ya juma the man for no so ya juma sanya retaining no.
Right.
So the dynamics will just be like the national election.
Okay.
Now the issues will not be about or MPP no or NDC, it will be about your performance. I got what 3 in about 3 minutes. It will reduce partisan appointment. Say an MMDC is a 1 year NDC for. 2020 is a jiguboma MPP for nebeba. Debbie. It's hard in the best side. 4, strengthen decentralization. Akwa obenya real power. Mahama buy yourself 25 million per quarter. 80% of say assemblies ni wono. Ometim dey adwuma nkasa.
Sure.
Enya Bahama na ebe tena kra be determine say koyewe da bi. The policy bi obe no be say the man for the be enjoy because we to so aba in the next 4 years and in the next 2 years or whatever modalities we come up with.
Right.
Akwa look civic engagement so be boosti. You bet you try ya try papa no. Oba for the krom no be town hall meeting. You bet you try ya try no.
Yeah.
But the go so try wa dwin nyina then echo. You bet you try so 4 years. We ti nya bibia. Na ban say we need say asa to na so bibia nya den. Ensi.
Sure.
Na go kwa to wrap for disadvantage ni bi ni. Disadvantage say anya careful. Honorable MP wa. The monetization no e be ba from.
Yeah.
They say akokwa, they say bi GI, they say bitimi kura je 5,000. So ko to aba.
Yeah.
Yan share ya decentralization no in the quest to do this election at the local base no.
So sikasem
no ebebem. Again akokwa yan careful ethnicity ni chieftaincy. Ye hu bi mampon. There be obi free.
Anyway,
any baby osun sa nyema no to betimi eden abem e possible.
Sure.
Again cost. Akwa e de ka beba kurum. Any idea. So these are some of the pros and cons of it. But me Jones akokwa we look at the modalities well. Yeah, iron out all these pros and cons at the table no so then you're able to fashion out a certain system.
Yeah.
I think that boy because you see akwa de bia me kasa me amfo ni mo issue me dwen say Ghana development higher style no e assembly no akwa he obi te kwaso o si dan bi enye assembly ni timi ho depend control dan no say stop produce permit but assembly ni so timi ko je to
serious
akwa the flooding situation Oti baby among the green wa de betu kwetema ya stores.
Sure.
The flooding ba. I feel all these issues at the local assembly. And if you are able to properly do a proper decentralization, esoro no kwa be kitnansa ya nkra bi. Lastly for you, I think as a man so baby lower west akim baby omutwa bridge bi okaya. No de ni nua hye na chi no. President Mama be Facebook post. Why should Mama post about that?
You DC ni ade o ma
DC no wa. Assembly
members say oversight responsibility.
Assemblyman, why should the president lower west Akim say Asamanke say Kurabi so
on social media?
Why should President Mama come and commission KVIPs?
Me was
district hospitals,
common fund any other local.
Yeah, two of them dey am serious. No, let me adwuma no e dey am. Next week me extensive research be on MMDCs na me no beche.
I think one of the cons so you say government our baso no say any nipa any bia obey elected.
Yeah.
Those particular district and municipality bibifu ye suni e bind no. Sometimes ya na sabotage betimi abam. And of course
akwanu ni
ehun hia say
cons na buy.
Sure.
Struggle with MPs.
Sure.
Ko nipa no anhwe obey say me position dey be ya baby MP no.
Of course. nti ehu hia say institutions no mom eye adwuma
smart
institutions ni ye adwuma oversight responsibilities ni ye adwuma mo
checks and balances
yes local government ministry no ni ada we mbe monitor ye say be ya nipa no be na adwuma regardless of the part of party awo we dey be rem as MMDC
and also we benya ni ye no so to bring about proper coordination
definitely
MP ni EDC so it's both sides.
Sure. Thank you very much, Eugene Osei-Tutu, the fact checker and training facts